Have you ever felt overwhelmed by investing? Or if you're a new investor, overwhelmed before you even start? Well, the secret is to set it and forget it. And that's what I'll be working on my way to leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years. So point 1, staying on top of the market doesn't work. Point 2, remove emotion and the inconsistencies. Because the real power is in recurring payments, and it would help you greatly so you don't feel like you have to take all your money out when there's a tweet that sends the market down, or if the market has been up for 2 days and now it's been down for 2 weeks. So take the emotions out and know that you're investing for the long term. Here's another one. Investing over the long term will help compounding your interest. And that will help your money grow slow and steady. Because we're in this for the long term. So let's focus on slow and steady investing and compounding those interests. So that's another one I have for you. And that's another one I have for myself. Another point, choose one approach and consistently be consistent when you make your investments. That could be ETFs, that could be index funds. And an ETF is an exchange traded fund where you get many companies in one basket. So either choose an ETF or an index fund, but keep the approach consistent. Because we want to make gains and not switch back and forth. We want to see our approach grow over time. So this is another one for you. Keep it consistent with one approach, and we'll make improvements in our investing, and we'll see the growth over time. Let's work on making things peaceful, not stressful. Because if things are stressful, we're going to want to take our money out. We're going to think it's not working. We're going to feel like we are not going anywhere when we don't see anything happening. But we need to know that this is a long-term game. So we need to make it peaceful and not stressful. This is a long-term game. We're not investing for 2 weeks and thinking we're going to get rich quick. This is long-term investing. So this is another one that I want to give to you, especially my new investors. And I also have to remember this, because my goal is to leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years. So if you want to come along with me on this ride, on this journey, please hit subscribe and we'll take this ride together. Thank you for listening. These were some of my pointers that I hope it helps you, because I have to remember it to help myself. Bye for now.